And in order for us to even understand discernment or apply it, requires that level of devotion. So in a way, we can say that discernment is both required and a byproduct of that single-minded devotion, love. And that's why individuals like Rumi, all the amazing women and men throughout the centuries, all the saints, the mystics, the scientists, many unknown, some known, many unseen and invisible, some visible, that have come before us, that have paved these roads. One thing they all have in common is that they discerned. They knew at any given time what was priority in their life. And because of that knowing, things fell in their right place in their life. A lot of the issues and diseases and the disorders, inner and outer, is the misplacement of things. Things that actually don't matter, taking center stage and not wanting to leave in our lives. Things that actually do matter and nag us from inside, and that as Saint Augustine called it, the divine discontent, when that is continuously being denied and ignored, where it has to be the center stage. So it's that misplacement, the lack of the right priority, right? And that's what discernment is needed. So in the Quran, there is a beautiful saying. It says, fear the discernment of a believer, for she sees with the light of God. So discernment requires that light to shed on the darkness. And it allows us to make contact with reality. Right? So we have like our own inner realities, then we have what we call the consensus reality. That like, yes, this is a screen, we're Zoom, that's a tree, we all agree upon that. And then there is reality with a capital R. It allows us to become familiar with the world of the unseen. You know, we have the world of the seen, which is right here, accessible through the 5 windows, the 5 senses. And then there's the world of the unseen, which is the essence, the inner meaning, underneath or beyond the forms. So in a way, spirituality is a journey from the form towards the inner meaning, towards the reality. That's why even Prophet Muhammad saying, he said, oh God, show me things as they truly are. Even someone like him who had been shown, it was still a constant prayer. Let me see things truly. And for those of you who might be versed in spirituality or interfaith, you see that the meaning of vipassana in Buddhism is the same. Allow me to see things as they truly are. So discernment allows us to see the meaning beyond the form. This beautiful existence, this multiplicity, is only the manifestation of that unity. In that sense, diversity is celebrated. In that sense, I'll argue it's the only sense diversity can even be appreciated and acknowledged, because nature is diverse. And so it allows us to not get lost in the forms and in the multiplicities, but it gives us this insight, this ability to be able to see it as it is.